Oh my god, this hairstyle is beautiful, guys. I made this with my short natural hair. It's so simple and easy. Hi guys, it's your girl Jasmine. Welcome back to our channel where we slay on a budget.
No way I'd let you slip.
I've already sectioned my hair into 3. I will apply my hair wax on my hair and then make sure the edges are slick. I'll go ahead to secure it with my elastic hairband. You can use any type of rubber band.
Waiting for the moment, I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade?
Alright, this is my Brazilian wool. I'm going to use my hands to measure the length I want. One thing I love about this hairstyle is that it's super simple and at the same time beautiful. You can achieve this hairstyle within 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on how fast you are.
Can we watch it fade away?
We are on my natural hair gang. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button and subscribe for more amazing hairstyles.
Trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand. Everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade?
Alright guys, what do you think about this hairstyle? Do you love it? Let me know what you think in the comment section.